welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be something of me stepping out of my comfort zone and doing a nice kind of smoky all matte eye. I normally do some type of glitter or shimmer on the lid, but today I didn't. So I saw a look, I wanted to try it, never done this before, and at first I was skeptical, but it turned out looking pretty cute, if I say so myself. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this tutorial so we don't have to drag it out. Alright. Okay, you guys, so today's video is just going to be a nice, quick, I'm going out but nothing too fancy type of look. Nice and casual. So the way we're going to do that is, if it's a casual look, you do all matte on the eye. So it's no glitter, no shimmer, just all matte. So what are we going to use? Alright, so I'm going to use the Revenge color in the Shayla's Perception palette. So let me go ahead and prime my lids. I think I'm going to use Culture from the Perception palette as well. Okay, so since this is my first time doing matte on my eyes, I'm not quite sure what I want to do with the crease other than this crease color. So I'm gonna do Revenge. I'm gonna do Revenge all over the lid. It looks so weird to me with no glitter. I want to take a little bit of that Revenge color and then also put that in my crease just to blend it out. This is just a simple look today. Simple but still look like you did something type of look. Look go back in Culture, just to build up the edges. I feel like my eyes is missing something. I don't know if I can do it. Okay, so since I feel like I'm missing something, because I've seen people do this look before with like one lip color all over the lid, it ain't for me. So, done with that Perception palette, I am going to take, what we got going on over here, Desi and Katie. going to take Churro from the Desi and Katie collection. I should have put that all over my lid. Just to put some depth in my eyes. Just put a little depth. Here we go. I just need to darken it up just a little bit. I don't know how they do that, which is one color all the way. Maybe one day. One day I'm gonna graduate to that one day. One day ain't today. I still feel like I'm missing something, but we're gonna keep on moving. So today I'm gonna go for more of a natural look. Oh, let me prime first. I'm gonna go for more of a natural look. So I'm not gonna do any mattifying primers or anything like that. I'm just gonna use my Smashbox Photo Finish. What is this? Yeah, Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. It's just a nice silicone filling type of thing. Type of dig. I'm also gonna highlight underneath my foundation just to get a little glow under the foundation going on. Just to put underneath my foundation. So since I'm doing a more natural look today, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Total Control foundation. Don't want to do anything matte today. There's nothing coming out of here. Am I out of foundation? Oh, there we go. Lately I've been feeling like doing a sponge. I think it's because the sponge is damp, so it's also cooling and moisturizing to my skin in this dry weather. So it just feels good. Feels good to my skin. Yes, ma'am. I don't know if you can see, but you can see the highlighter a little bit underneath my foundation. Just a little trick for you. Just a little trick for you. Have that glow from within look. Only thing bad about this, well, it's not bad, but only thing about this, see, this is why I wear mess up shirts before I get dressed. I'm always spilling something. Only thing is not my favorite, as I should say, from this foundation is the fact that it is thin and lightweight, that sometimes to cover up her, come on, pink girl, hold it in. Sometimes to make sure it covers up all the spots that you want it to cover up, you gotta put an extra layer on, which is fine, but it kind of defeats the purpose of not trying to layer on too much, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay. You know, casual layback type of day. I'm not gonna contour, I'm just gonna reverse contour like I always do. So no contour today, but it'll still give me the illusion like I contoured, which is fine with me. Go ahead and do underneath my eye. I'm going to just gonna take a little bit of revenge. Take a little bit of revenge and over to the corner so I could connect. Kind of on top of that, slightly underneath it with churro. Ooh. Okay, so it don't look as bad as I thought with just matteness going on. But I do want to do an inner corner highlight. So I'm gonna go, oh shoot, that's a lot. And all I did was tap it. I'm gonna go in, spill the tea in the Perception palette and just put it right here. Well, that would be a really pretty highlighter. I just might make this my highlighter. Hold on. Let's see. That's pretty. It's nice and subtle. And that's kind of what I want to do. I want a nice and subtle. Yep, kind of went out of hand. Oh well. Still subtle. My version of subtle. People still do that? Do people still put the highlighter right here under the brow bone? I don't know. I am today because it's cute. It's the same spill the tea one. Just putting it right here, and I'm going to blend it out with the other side. She cute. Alright, so I need to get a sharpener. So for my lips, go ahead and line with my ever so faithful Espresso lip liner from NYX. I'm gonna first go in with Come On Sis, which is my favorite, and it'll actually go with the look. Then I'm going to take Quickie and put it in the middle. Yeah, I know I like to mix stuff. Then I'm gonna be extra and go in with Amber from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Alright, I low-key don't like my hair this height. I always get like this when it's freshly done. Kind of like that kind of old hair, kind of flatted out, kind of flat out. Yeah, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Not as much volume. Come on, volume. Come on down a little bit. Thank you guys for watching this video, little tutorial. It's a little different than what I'm normally used to, but I think I like it. I think I like the all matte eye look. So nice, simple, and it was quick. So might be one of my go-to styles. So let me go ahead and get out of here because I'm running late. Running late like usual. Sorry y'all. That's just, come on man. Hair ain't acting right. Yeah, that's just my thing. I'm always late. So let me go ahead and get out of here, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.